Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that has a really long neck to reach all of the high trees. Can you guess what animal this might be? That's right, it's a giraffe. Let's draw one together. So, to draw our giraffe, we're going to start in the middle of the page. We're drawing a big oval shape, just like this. Then we're going to draw a nice big round semicircle, just like that. Now on the right hand side here, I'm going to draw a teardrop shape like this with a wavy line down the middle, and the same for the other side. On the top of the head, I'm going to draw two lines with a circle on top, but joining them all together. So a line, circle, back down with a line. I'm going to draw two big circles right above our oval shape. And now for the body, because we've got our giraffe head, I'm going to go to the middle of the page, slightly to the left. I'm going to go down like this. And bring that over, creating that paw shape. Paw, hoof. They don't have paws, they have hooves. Then we're going to draw a straight line up, and we're going to do the same for the other side. Bring that round, and now we're drawing a line up. And to connect them together, we'll bring that round in a semicircle. Now for the back legs, we're going to go out and round like this, and we're going to draw another hoof, just like that. You can make your hoofs more simple and just do a circle. Let's do the same on the other side. Bring it out and round, and a hoof shape, just like this. Now we're going to draw a small triangle with a teardrop shape on the top. There we go. That's the shape of our giraffe. And of course, like all giraffes, I'm going to draw on some spots. They have big spots. You can draw them wherever you like. They're just round circles all over your giraffe, or you could draw a bit of a semicircle like that coming off the side. There we go. I think that's enough. Oh, and don't forget to connect that at the bottom. Now let's colour our giraffe in. Oh, first of all, there you go. There's your giraffe. How long was your giraffe's neck? And did you draw spots all over? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. And head to DIY.org to access fun creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations with a like-minded community of kids. Thanks for watching. See you next time.